I'm going to give you a little refrigerator tour. We like to turn the refrigerator on about a day before we leave to go camping, so I can start loading it up. You can see we got some good candy in here. I like to keep the chocolate in here just because when we're traveling, it is warm in the camper, but it's plenty cool when we stop. Little tip, you always grab too many condiments when you go to fast food. I like to save them for camping. I made my own trail mix. So I mixed peanuts and M&Ms and dried cherries in this. They're super nice and tart. Oops. Put this back in. Don't you just love these old snap pickles? They are so yummy. So you can see you can get plenty of food in here. I have got these sliced up potatoes we got at Sam's Club that are so good. Some meat for a charcuterie board. Lunch meat, jalapeno poppers, my creamer that I love from Aldi, milk. This is stuff full of all different kinds of cheeses, and also some salamis and meat and pepperoni for pizza. And then there's a cream cheese for poppers. We got hot dogs and sausage, more condiments. We had trouble with the freezer with the door not staying shut, so we just stuck a little suction cup on there, and you know what? It works like a charm. So I put the other stuff in here. I ended up just putting the pizza crust in a Ziploc bag instead of having Paul vacuum pack it. And so we got Italian sausage for our poppers. We've got some of Papa's barbecue. He has an old hickory pit, and sometime I will have to do a video on that. He makes some amazing barbecue. So, fridge is complete. Alright, we're packing up this LX570 here, and it pulls the Casita like a charm. Henry won't get out of the car. Henry, are you having fun back here? So Paul added a bar there for our clothes. Then we got a nice little camping table that we'll put in our clam that I got as a retirement gift from my coworkers, which was so sweet. Over here, oh, I'm so excited about this. I got this hammock float. You don't have to blow it up. I got that at Sam's Club, so I'll be taking that to float around the lake. This is our clam. When we get to the campground, I'll show you how easy that is to put up. It is amazing. And I've never seen this before. It must be something new Papa has, but it looks like a battery-operated refrigerator. No? What is it?
It's a solar battery.
Oh! Quite the opposite. It's a solar battery. So here's Papa over here getting everything ready to load up. He's got this cute little homemade trailer he made on the back of his riding lawnmower. Down here we have a crate that's portable for Henry. We'll use that. We'll take a little hotel stay halfway in between so we can wash clothes. Papa's getting his umbrellas because he doesn't enjoy the sun as much as I do. So he stays under the umbrella and I soak up the sun. We always take a shovel so we can dig those umbrellas down and get into the gravel. So that's some of the stuff that we're going to be loading up. And, oh, we also take this fan and we put it in the clam. And that's really helpful when it's hot outside. Alright, Henry, are you going to stay here and watch Papa? Are you going to stay and watch Papa? Say signing off. Until later. I almost forgot. We got this cute little, I don't know, stroller or cart for Henry. And it goes back on the back of this electric bike. And Papa and Henry are so cute going around the campground. It's time for me to pack. And I have the hardest time deciding what to wear. I do love packing these wrinkle-free dresses. They make everything so easy. I tried to pick out like one pair of shorts with a top that was a little bit dressier and nicer for going out to eat or shopping. And then with a casual t-shirt just for hanging out around the campground, taking walks, sightseeing, things like that. I love that little tennis dress I got at Costco last year. I will have to link where I love finding my favorite wrinkle-free dresses. I get some of my cute graphic t-shirts from one of my coworkers, so I'll share that with you also. I like to pack something a little bit heavier for sitting around at night when it gets cooler. This shirt is so cute. It's for our new channel. Back that thing up. Maze is on the move. I absolutely love it. Next, I have to pick out jewelry because I don't know about you, but if I leave the house without a bracelet and necklace, or earrings, I should say, not necessarily a necklace, I feel naked. It just doesn't feel right. Completed.